Hello everyone, have a pleasant day. This is Dr. Srimati from Dr. Ambedkar Global Law Institute, Tirupati. Today we are going to see the problem in calculation of profit and loss appropriation account and capital methods, that is partners, fixed capital method and fluctuating capital methods. Okay, let's start with the problem. On 1st January 2018, Kavita and Sumati entered into partnership and contributed rupees 80,000 and 60,000 respectively. They share profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Sumati is to be allowed a salary of rupees 16,000 per year. Interest on capital is to be allowed at 5% per annum. 5% interest is to be charged on drawings. During the year, Kavita withdrew rupees 12,000 and Sumati rupees 24,000. Interest being Kavita rupees 280 and Sumati rupees 200. And profit in 2018 before the above noted adjustment was rupees 42,320. Show the distribution of profits between the partners and prepare capital accounts when they are fluctuating, when they are fixed. So this is about the problem. So with that problem we have to prepare the partners capital account under two methods. Before that we have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. So for preparation of profit and loss appropriation account, we have to take the profit of that year and then we have to make adjustments related to partners, salary, interest on capital, interest on drawings, and then any interest on loan to the partners, then any commission to partners. So all these adjustments are to be made in profit and loss adjustment account. Let's start with an answer. Profit and loss appropriation account. This is about a T format of account. So on the credit side, by net profit brought down, the net profit which has been given in the problem itself, that is 42,320 rupees. Then you start with the problem what is there. So here there is about a capital, it is there, that will not come under this profit and loss appropriation account. And then there is about a share of profit they have given, and Sumati is going to receive a salary of rupees 16,000 per annum. So it is per annum salary. So you take it as such 16,000 in the amount column. Suppose if monthly salary is given means then how many months the partnership has started, then it should be multiplied with that number of months. Suppose if it is for the 1 year, then it should be multiplied with 12. So now it is problem itself they have given, it is per year. So we have to take it as such 16,000. And the next one is interest on capital is to be allowed at 5% per annum. So you know the interest on capital is to be calculated on the opening balances. So calculate Kavita's interest on capital. So the Kavita's capital is 80,000. That should be multiplied with 5 by 100. So that you will get 4,000 rupees. Then Sumati's capital 60,000. So under 60,000, out of 60,000 we have to calculate 5%. So here 60,000 multiplied with 5 by 100, it is 3,000. So totally interest on capital is 7,000. Then interest on drawings, which is already given in the problem itself, that is Kavita's interest is 280 and Sumati's interest is 200. So totally 480. It is on the credit side. It is an income to partnership form. So that we can balance now. The total on the credit side is 42,800. On the debit side we have to take it as such and then find the balance. The balance is 19,800. So this 19,800 is the profit which has been transferred to the partners Kavita and Sumati on the sharing ratio of 3:2. So how we have to calculate this 3:2? So 19,800 multiplied with 3 divided by 5. Then you will get Kavita's share of profit, that is 11,880. For Sumati's share of profit 19,800 multiplied with 2 by 5. that is 2 divided by 5. If you take this, then that amount is 7,920. So the total, if you take that, it is 19,800. So this, the amount is correct. This amount 11,880 and 7,920 is to be transferred to partner's capital account. So here the partner's capital account, we know under the two methods, that is fluctuating capital method and fixed capital method. Let us start with fluctuating capital method. So here straight away take the partner's capital account. The column is Kavita and Sumati. Always capital balance is credit balance. So by balance brought down, it is Kavita's account is 80,000, Sumati's account is 60,000. Then we have to take this partner's salary, that is Sumati's salary, it is 16,000, it is a credit to Sumati. And then by interest on capital, it is credit to Sumati as well as Kavita, it is 4,000 and 3,000. Then profit and loss appropriation account, that is share of profit from the business, it is 11,880 and 7,920, that is net profit, right? And then on the debit side, it is about drawings. We have to put, it is 12,000 and 24,000 for Kavita and Sumati respectively. And the interest on drawing is 280 to Kavita and 200 to Sumati. Then the balance we have to take it, first balance the credit side and then take it to the debit side and find the balance that is to be carried down. So here now the capital balance which is carried down by Kavita is 83,600 and Sumati is 62,720. See, the opening capital is 80,000, 60,000. Now the closing capital is 83,600 and 62,720. There is increase in capital. So it always fluctuates. At the beginning of the year, it's some amount. At the end of the year, it is increased or sometime it may decrease. So it fluctuates. That's why it's about a fluctuating capital method. And let us see the next method called if the capitals are fixed. Then we have to prepare the two accounts as I told you. Then the partner's capital account is one and partner's current account is another one. So take the column, T column, partner's capital account, then Kavita and Sumati. So by balance brought down, it is 80,000, 60,000. Then even at the end of the year, we have to take the two balance carry down the same value only 80,000, 60,000. So next year also it brought forward with 80,000, 60,000 only. So other adjustment where to be adjusted, where to be taken into recorded means it should be under the partner's current account. So take partner's current account. So have a column Kavita Sumati and Kavita Sumati. Then take other adjustments here. To salary of Sumati here 16,000. Interest on capital to Kavita 4,000. Sumati 3,000. And profit and loss appropriation account, that is net profit of the business to both of them 11,880 and 7,920. Then drawings of partners 12,000, 24,000 of Sumati, Kavita and Sumati. And interest on drawings 280 and 200. And then if you balance this, credit is more balance. So credit side you balance it, it is 15,880 and 26,920. So take that balance to the debit side also and find the net balance. It is 3,600 and 2,720. So this is about a balance which is carried down to the next year. That is 3,600 and 2,720 as the balance of current account. So here the adjustments related to other transaction of partners are recorded in partners current account only. The capital will not get affected due to the other transactions of the partners personal details. So here this method is called capitals fixed capital method. Okay, so hope you are understood. Until the next, it's bye from Srimati. Thank you.